Hello dear students, welcome back in our today's class. So I hope you all are watching tutorial videos and doing your regular study. Yes, as you get time, please don't waste your time. Make a note of each and everything. Prepare your timetable from now onwards only. Okay? Yes. So what we have learned in our last class, let's revise that before moving to the next topics. So as we are in the chapter number 3, that is chemical reactions and equations. Okay, so in the last class we have seen a very interesting and important topic, that is steps in balancing a chemical reaction. Okay, we have already seen that there are 4 steps to balance a chemical reaction. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, if it is given in the word equation, you have to convert that in a chemical equation. Okay, yes, after that you have to check that whether the equation is balanced or not. Okay, if it is not balanced, then you have to compare the number of atoms of various elements present in the two sides of equation. Okay, you have to see reactant sides also and you have to see the product side also. Okay, after that, in a third step, you have to balance each and everything, each and every atom which is not balanced. Okay, until the third step you have to prepare everything, and in the fourth step you have to write a correct balance equation. Okay, yes, in exam if you are done with everything, you have to see that it is correct or something is remain. Okay, so don't be in a hurry. Yes, and I have given you some homework last class, so I hope you all have did it. Yes, and those who are done with it, very good. You will get obviously good marks in exam. But those who are not done, I just wanted to tell you that I always keep telling you that start your study from now onwards, otherwise you will get difficulty. So please do it. If you are not done with this, please do it. Balance each and everything. Okay, those who are done, just check whether your equations are like this only. Okay, I have balanced everything, so please see to it whether your equations are right. Okay, I hope all my students are done a great job and all the equations are right, those who did their homework. Okay, so this is, I'm not going to go in detail with this. I hope you all are understood this concept very well. Okay, so in this class we are going to see a very easy topic, types of reaction. Okay, types of chemical reactions. So chemical reactions are classified into the following 4 types accordance with the nature and the number of reactants and the products. Okay, so the chemical reactions, they are classified into 4 types. What are the 4 types? We are going to see. Each and every type is very easy, so no need to worry about that. So the first type which we are going to see, that is combination reaction. Okay, so as the name suggests, combination, which means what? To combine something. Okay, when we combine something we get a product. Okay, so like that we have to combine the reactant side and we will get a product. Okay, so here as the definition says, when 2 or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product, then it is called as a combination reaction. For example, okay, here you can see X and Y. These are the 2 reactants. Okay, this is a reactant side and this is a product side. Yes, so here you can see these are the 2 reactants and they combine to form a one product. Here you can see only one product you will get over here. For example, let's take this example. Here you can see hydrogen chloride and ammonia, both are combined to each other, and what they form? They form only one product, that is ammonium chloride. Okay, in a second reaction also, here you can see magnesium oxide is formed. here you can say this is the magnesium oxide. It is formed from form as a single product. Here you can say this is the single product. But how many reactants are used over here? 2, that is Mg and O2. Okay, magnesium and oxygen. So दो reactant combine होके only one product form होता है. So that is called as which reaction? Combination reaction. In the last reaction also you can see heat is liberated. So what we get over here? Calcium hydroxide. How it is formed? By the combination of calcium oxide and water. Okay, so in a combination reaction, what you need to remember? 2 reactant combine to form only one product. ठीक है? Okay, remember this formula, you will get everything. So this is the one type of reaction. Now decomposition reaction. Here you can see in the decomposition reaction, okay, what you have to remember? Decomposition, which means what? Breakdown. Okay, breakup. ठीक है? So in a decomposition reaction, atoms क्या होते हैं? Separate हो जाते हैं. How? Let's see. The chemical reaction in which 2 or more products are formed from a single reactant. Okay, combination reaction and decomposition both are opposite to each other. Combination में क्या था? यहाँ पे combination में क्या था? Here you can see. Okay, in a combination reaction 2 reactant combine होते थे to form a one product. Okay, but here in a decomposition reaction what you will see? One reactant gives 2 product. तो वन रिएक्टेंट क्या होता है? ये ब्रेकअप हो जाता है इनटू द 2 products. Okay, so 2 or more products are formed from a single reactant. ठीक है? Yes. So here we have seen here you can see one example. CaCO3 calcium carbonate है. It breaks to form 2 products, that is calcium oxide and calcium dioxide. Okay, here you can see carbon and hydrogen is formed from sugar. So one reactant used over here to form 2 or more products. In the last reaction also water को remove, water को हम decompose करेंगे, that means breakup करेंगे to form H2 and O2. Okay, yes. So decomposition, which means what you have to remember? One product होता है क्या इसमें? नहीं, इसमें क्या होता है? वन रिएक्टेंट होता है टू फॉर्म 2 or more products. Okay, 2 or more products to form a single reactant. So this is decomposition reaction. Now in a displacement reaction, here you can see what first we are going to read the definition of decomposition reaction. Okay, so here the reaction in which the place of the ion of less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ion is called as displacement. So as the name suggests, displacement मतलब क्या? Exchange हो जाना. Okay, atoms they exchange with each other. So how they exchange with each other? जहाँ पर less reactive element है उसकी जगह कौन लेगा? Another more reactive element. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. So we are going with this formula A plus BC. Okay, here you can see here what is A? Zn, and BC मतलब क्या होता है? H and Cl. Okay, which gives AC. तो A कौन था? Zn and C is Cl, that is ZnCl2, and B को हम क्या करेंगे? Separate, because it is less reactive. Okay, yes. So after that you can take this reaction CuSO4 plus Zn to give ZnSO4 plus Cu. यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे? Cu को बाहर सेपरेट करेंगे एंड किसको कंबाइन करेंगे? मोर रिएक्टिव कौन है? FeSO4. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ भी होता है दैट मीन्स 2 रिएक्टेंट होते हैं, 2 प्रोडक्ट होते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कॉम्बिनेशन एंड डिकम्पोजिशन, इट इज़ समथिंग डिफरेंट. ओके, yes. Then fourth type of reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction में what happens here in this reaction, in which the ions of the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate, is called as double displacement reaction. यहाँ पर भी exchange हो जाता है. कैसे exchange हो जाता है? Here you get a different formula. ओके वहाँ पर डिफरेंट फार्मूला था और यहाँ पर भी डिफरेंट फार्मूला है. दैट इज़ AB प्लस CD विल गिव्स AD प्लस CB. ओके सो पोटेशियम क्रोमेट प्लस बेरियम सल्फेट विल गिव्स व्हाट? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फार्मूला K2SO4, that is potassium sulfate, and BaCrO4, that is barium chromate. Okay, so as I have written the formulas, please go with the formula, you will get a correct reaction. Okay, so these are the four types of reactions, that is combination reaction, decomposition reaction. combination मतलब क्या? combine हो जाना. yes, decomposition which means separate. then displacement reaction, exchange हो जाना, but कैसे? that is less reactive element goes away and more reactive element combine with each other. that and in double displacement में भी exchange हो जाता है. okay, to get two different products. ठीक है, so these are the four types of reactions. okay, so from the types of reaction I have given you this homework. you have to match the following. These are the reactant side, and from that which product we will get and which type of chemical reaction it is, you have to do it. okay, then we are going to see another reactions, that is endothermic and exothermic processes and reaction. this is the another topic of your this class. okay, so here already I think we have seen this topic in earlier standard. so heat is absorbed and given away in a various process and reactions. so according to that process of reaction it is classified into two types. okay, तो ये जो reaction है ये किसके basis पर है? that is heat. okay, yes, so that is called as endothermic and exothermic. endothermic process and reactions, exothermic processes and reactions. okay, so now we are going to see only endothermic and exothermic processes. okay, so here in this what happened, heat from outside is absorbed during some physical changes. for example melting of ice. तो melting of ice में ice कैसे melt हो जाता है? जब वो heat को absorb करता है. okay, dissolution of potassium nitrate in water. so here also what happen? heat gets absorbed. okay, so therefore when heat is absorbed then it is called as which processes? endothermic processes. okay, when heat is absorbed then the processes are called as endothermic processes. okay, इसका अपोजिट है, तो इसका अपोजिट क्या है? एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेसेस. सो हीट इज़ गिवन अवे ड्यूरिंग सम फिजिकल चेंजेस. इसमें क्या होता है? हीट जो होती है वो रिलीज हो जाती है, वो गिवन अवे हो जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आइस फ्रॉम वाटर. आइस को हम कूल करेंगे, मतलब उसमें से हीट निकालेंगे, तभी क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हो जाएगा? वाटर में से वाटर को हम फ्रीज में रखते हैं, मतलब कहाँ पर रखते हैं? उसमें से हीट निकालते हैं तो क्या फॉर्म होता है? आइस फॉर्म होता है, राइट? यस. सो हाउ द आइस गेट्स फॉर्म्ड? फ्रॉम वाटर. ओके, बट व्हेन हीट गेट्स रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द वाटर, ओके, तभी तो आइस फॉर्म होगा ना. यस. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हेन हीट इज़ गिवन आउट देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेसेस. जब हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं तब वो एंडो होता है, एंड जब हीट को रिलीज़ करते हैं तब क्या होता है? वो एक्सो हो जाता है. ओके, तो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइल्यूशन ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड विथ वाटर क्या होता है? लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट जो होती है वो लिबरेट हो जाती है, तो वाटर जो होता है वो एवेपोरेट होता है जल्दी से. ओके, जब हम उसको पोर करेंगे इन कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड तब वो क्या होता है? डेंजर होता है. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज़ वेरी डेंजर. So to avoid this accident, required amount of water is taken in a glass container and small quantity of sulfuric acid at a time is added with stirring. ओके, तो तब हम क्या करेंगे, वाटर को लेंगे और थोड़ा थोड़ा सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को ऐड करते रहेंगे थ्रू द टाइम. So therefore only a small amount of heat is liberated at a time, and from this we can stop the accident. ठीक है. Okay, so this is about endothermic and exothermic processes. reactions भी same होते हैं, तो कैसे होते हैं, let's see. endothermic reactions. Okay, so there is an exchange of heat in a chemical reactions as well. According to that, some chemical reactions are exothermic while some are endothermic. So in endothermic reactions, what happened? During endothermic chemical reaction, heat is either absorbed from the surrounding or it has to supplied continuously from outside. तो यहाँ पर देखो, जब हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, मतलब हीट कौन सी साइड लिखा होता है, रिएक्टेंट साइड, तो तब वो एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन होती है. समटाइम्स ऐसे ये हीट का सिंबल भी यहाँ पर रहता है, मतलब क्या हुआ है, यहाँ पर हीट को ऐड किया है. ओके, ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन दिस. सो देन द टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एज एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, जब हीट एब्जॉर्ब होती है. ओके, सो एक्सोथर्मिक इसका अपोजिट है, व्हेन हीट इज़ रिलीज्ड. ओके, हीट इज़ गिवन आउट, तो हीट कहाँ पर लिखा होता है, यहाँ पर ये साइड, प्रोडक्ट के साइड में. yes, so then it is called as exothermic reactions. Okay, yes, so here in a page number 39 आपका जो एक्टिविटी दिया है that we will perform in practicals, but for now if you want you can read that activity. ठीक है. So there are different types of chemical reactions, you all know that. Some reactions are fast, some reactions are very very slow. Okay, so according to that they are classified into different types. Their rate मतलब क्या होता है, कितना फास्ट होता है, कब कितना स्लो होता है, वो भी डिपेंड करता है. So that is depend upon some kind of thing. So what is that? Let's see. Now we are going to see some kind of reactions, and you have to identify whether it is a fast process or slow process. So cooking gas start burning on ignition. Obviously जब हम ignite करेंगे तब क्या करेंगे, वो एकदम फटाक से क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, कुकिंग गैस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. yes, so that is a fast process. आयन आर्टिकल अंडरगो रस्टिंग प्रोसेस जो होती है उसको बहुत टाइम लगता है, ये धीरे धीरे प्रोसेस होती है. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज स्लो प्रोसेस. erosion of rocks takes place from soil, it is also a slow process. effervescence is formed on adding of baking soda into test tube containing dilute acid. dilute acid को जब हम किसी भी रिएक्टेंट में डालते हैं तब वो जो प्रोसेस होती है वो बहुत फास्ट प्रोसेस होती है, बिकॉज एसिड इज़ वेरी डेंजरस. ओके, so like this, from the above example it can be seen that some reactions are completed in short time while the others completed in a long time. So वो क्या होते हैं, that occur slowly. It means that the rate of different reaction is different. yes, different reaction is obviously different. So the same reaction occurs at a different rate on the changing condition. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर हम मिल्क का एग्ज़ाम्पल लेंगे तो ड्यूरिंग विंटर क्या होता है, लॉन्ग टाइम इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सेटिंग द मिल्क इनटू कर्ड, वाइल एट द हायर टेम्परेचर समर के टाइम पे क्या होता है, रेट ऑफ सेटिंग मिल्क गेट्स इंक्रीजेस एंड कर्ड फॉर्म होता है अर्ली, बहुत अर्ली फॉर्म होता है बिकॉज हीट ऑलरेडी होता है. ठीक है, येस, टेम्परेचर होती है, बट विंटर के टाइम पे क्या होता है, उसको बहुत टाइम लगता है, तो स्लोली वो फॉर्म होता है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ नेचर विच इज़ देयर, फैक्टर्स विच आर देयर which affects the chemical reaction. So what is that we are going to see in the next class. Till that, again the next homework, you have to identify the endothermic and exothermic reactions. ओके, सो एंडोथर्मिक में क्या था, हीट एब्जॉर्ब होती है, एंड एक्सोथर्मिक में हीट क्या होती है, रिलीज हो जाती है. सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस 4 रिएक्शंस. ओके, डू योर होमवर्क, प्लीज राइट दिस इन योर नोटबुक एंड सॉल्व इट. ओके, and study hard. So today we have seen 4 types of reactions, and then we have seen endothermic, exothermic reactions. Okay, thank you students.